How's it going, guys? This is a tour of the 1859 model in Marvella, which is a century community located in Skye Canyon. All right, so first when we walk in, we have the half bath downstairs, and then it opens up right here into the living room, followed by the kitchen over there. And then there's gonna be a seating area, like a little dining room area over behind the stairs. But let's start in the kitchen because that's the moneymaker. So first, one thing you'll notice here is it has the 2-inch quartz countertops, which is a beautiful upgrade that comes in a majority of their spec homes. And then you also see the stainless steel appliances. Those also come standard in their spec homes. And right now, something that Century's doing is they're doing less of you come in and choose your upgrades and more of just, hey, we're gonna put these houses together as spec homes and you guys come and choose which ones you want based on what's released. So over here, we have the farmhouse sink. And whatever this color of cabinet is, I know there's a couple different names I could throw out right now. I'd probably be wrong, but I love it. And I feel like this is becoming such a popular color nowadays that everyone's sort of starting to move off just only white or gray. And we're adding really more of the, blue tones and whatever else. Now coming across here, we see the pendant lighting in their model. And then it gets you a better view kind of the whole, living room plus dining room area from this part of the kitchen. Now, one thing that probably jumps out to you is the stair railing. It's one of my favorite things in this model. That does not come standard in these models. That's like a, I don't know, $5,000 to $10,000 upgrade generally, but it's one thing that whenever someone comes in to see these houses, they're like, oh my God, I love those stairs. And trust me, I love it too, but that's definitely not something that comes standard. Now, a lot of the spec homes they're selling right now do come with these pergolas. I might be able to get us a view of one later when I do a tour of one of the already built homes. But check out this backyard. This is the actual size of most of these lots. And obviously it's done. Most new build homes are not done at all. Most are just gonna come with a dirt lot, maybe some of the pavers as you're seeing. But this is kind of like what this could be, right? Some turf, the pergola, some nice desert landscaping. It's a bigger thing. It's a bigger lot than you would think of just looking at it when it's bare dirt. But once it's put together like this, it's a very nice touch. Okay. Now let's go upstairs. Going upstairs in this 1859 model, we see, first thing, the upgraded carpet they have in this model. This is not standard in a lot of their spec homes. If you can catch one of the spec homes with this type of carpet, it's great. It's like the bouncy carpet, but generally they have the normal plush quality carpet in the other ones. And then over to the left side is gonna be the 2 bedrooms, and to the right side, we're gonna have the master bedroom. But before we look at that, let's just check the loft out one more time. So now going into the master, very well lit room. I like how they put the windows in here. We have the master bath to the right side, but first let's look at the master closet. Pretty spacious closet, opens up to the left side more so there's more room. And I'll creep back here because you guys can see the breadth of it. Definitely nice. Walk-in shower, separate toilet, and then double sinks over here. It's not huge, but it gets the job done. And again, this is an 1859 model, so you're not gonna have, a crazy big master bath, but it's got everything you need. So first we have the guest bath to the left side. Also has double sinks, basic tub shower. Let's get a good look at that one. How you guys doing? There's the camera. Okay, and then we have the 2 bedrooms. First one being over here. Now I love this second bedroom. It's a good size, but specifically because this bedroom has a walk-in closet that's huge for second bedroom standards. I mean, you can even put a little what is that, a love sack in there? And it's got a window, which is great. And then let's check out the second bedroom. So right across the way, this one does not have a walk-in closet. This is gonna be the standard sliding door one, but still a great sized room with good lighting. How's it going? And the last thing you need to know about this model is right between these 2 bedrooms, you're gonna have the laundry room. Now again, the washer and dryer come standard in this. They give you all the appliances, so that's definitely an upgrade here. This one comes specifically with the sink and the cabinets. I'm unsure if every single one comes with cabinets like this. I know a lot of them do come with the sink, but it's always better, in my opinion, when the laundry room's upstairs. So,
Thanks for watching. There's more information in the description about the 1859 model. And if you guys have any questions about new builds in Las Vegas, please feel free to reach out.